Hi there, Meowwy. Are you okay? Why? Do you have a tummy ache? Maybe you're hungry? And where is Wawwy? He went for a box. He went to eat the box. Oh, hello, Wawwy. What's that square in your hand? The square in your hand, Wawwy. Do you know the shapes, Wawwy? Let me see. Which one is the circle? No, that's a triangle. No, Wawwy, that's a circle. Oh no, don't be upset, Wawwy. Look at the box. A box has the shape of a square. Now, open the box. What shape is the pizza?
Circle!
Good job, Meowwy. What's wrong, Wawwy? Let me see. Oh, that pizza isn't cooked well. What is the shape of that slice?
Triangle!
Well done, Wawwy! You see, you are learning shapes. You know what we can do? We can add more toppings. So, how about we start off with some ham?
Yes!
You know what? The ham is in the shape of a
Rectangle!
So, now we have a new shape.
Oval!
That's a very nice oval. mozzarella, Meowwy. And that's a really cool shape.
Diamond!
Wow! That's a beautiful...
Parallelogram!
Cool! Wow, Meowwy! I'm impressed with that.
Hexagon!
That's very nice of you, Wawwy. A red
Heart!
made out of a tomato. I think it's baking time.
Yippee!
Okay. That pizza smells delicious. But before you begin, shall we shout out the shapes very quickly?
Square! Circle! Triangle! Rectangle! Oval! Diamond! Hexagon! Heart!
That's fantastic. Now, shall we say goodbye to our friends first? Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.